Cha! Let's check the thread count on this batch.
Looks perfect to me.
Approved for shipping. These high-velocity sheets are processed. We shape them for the brim. This ensures maximum durability. Precision is our top priority. We cut hundreds of brims every minute. Precision is at the heart of our facility. Every stitch is fully automated.
Precision machinery aligns the 6 fabric panels. Advanced automation ensures a perfect fit.
Ensure that the brim is perfectly centered.
Every cap is finished with absolute precision. Automatic machines seamlessly attach the decorative top button. Precision machinery punches ventilation holes before automated needles stitch each edge. We craft our caps with absolute precision. Soft sweatbands are sewn inside each cap for comfort, ensuring a perfect fit.
This automated system ensures a perfect fit. Every strap is secured with precision.
Steam and heated molds shape every cap. This achieves its final curved form. Perfect quality every time.
The automated trimmers are operating with perfect precision. This gives us a flawless finish every time. These blowers remove all the dust. Every cap is flawless.
Every great cap starts with premium raw fabric. Precision automation ensures perfect embroidery, shaped and inspected to meet the highest standards.
Efficiency and precision are the core of this facility. Robotic automation ensures flawless execution.
This facility moves thousands of pallets daily. Efficiency and safety are our top priority.
Modern logistics require absolute precision.
Let's get these last cartons loaded.
A new day begins at our state. Efficiency meets precision. This is the future of manufacturing.